Hello, everyone. Welcome to 10-minute guided meditation that will facilitate your relief on stress and anxiety. Sit in any comfortable place, either on a floor or on a chair. Keep your back and neck in one straight line. Place the palms on your knees, keeping the elbows slightly bent. Drop your shoulders down and gently close your eyes. Take a moment and observe your body and the buildup of the tensions accumulated of any stress, worry, or anything else that has been on your mind. Observe any part of the body that feels more tensed or tight than others. You may feel pain or discomfort in any area of the body. Allow the tensed areas to relax now. Now take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Take a deeper breath to send in more oxygen to your body. Still it and allow it to relax by exhaling out. Take a third deep breath, the deepest one, and allow your body to settle in a more comfortable position. Continue to inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As the breath continues to travel through your lungs, relax further, relaxing your stiff back, unclenching your jaw, dropping down your shoulders from your ears. If you get distracted by a thought or a sound, just acknowledge its occurrence and move on. Return your attention to your breath, allowing your breath to flow more freely with consciousness. Keep your awareness on your breath. You take the time now to release any worries, any sadness, or any anger you may be feeling. Imagine those feelings getting out of your heart and floating away in the air out of your body. Whatever has been stressing you today, it is now time to let that float away and make peace with yourself. Make peace now with the amazing person that you truly are on the inside. Liberate all the negative images, ideas, or emotions that are embedded in your mind and make space for acceptance, kindness, and love. Keep nurturing yourself with positive thoughts. You have a choice in what you believe. Your mind is the greatest asset and your best tool. Now take a deep breath in. Allow good feelings to fill up your heart and your mind. Experience peacefulness and calmness around you. Gently taking a deep breath in. Exhale completely. One more time, taking a deep breath in. Exhale completely. Give a slight movement to your feet and to your fingers. And open your eyes whenever you're ready.